Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. So I apologize, I'm kind of under the weather, but I did want to jump on here and make a quick announcement that tomorrow or today, depending on which day you watch this, November 14th, Thursday, I will be on Dirty Deez YouTube channel. He is doing a live stream. He does them every month. Really awesome format. And no, this is not the bling bling chicken wing Dirty Deez. No, I know. This is the moto vlogger Dirty Deez. I'll link his YouTube channel up here. I highly suggest you go over and check it out. It's going to be at 8 o'clock Central Time. Again, please go ahead and check it out over there. Every month he does a live stream of just basically a panel of moto vloggers and people in the space, and just kind of like a Q&A. So when he asked me to join on, I'm 100% on board. The platform itself is really cool. You have everybody that's in the live stream just on one screen together, just talking about YouTube in general and growing YouTube channels, and it's really just an awesome platform. I think that Dirty Deez is really onto something with this. It's fascinating to watch. I watched last month with Bike and Bird. I really a huge fan of this format. So I definitely think that he's onto something with this whole thing. And as I'm just looking through the channel now, he had Bike and Bird last month, which I watched. I think it's really an awesome format, and I'm totally honored to be a part of it. It's something that I think is really cool. There is a much larger name than me that's floating around. I am not going to spoil that because it's not my surprise to spoil. So, but I do believe that somebody that you guys are all very familiar with will be a part of this live cast as well. But again, not my show to steal, so I'm not going to make those announcements. I'll leave that up to Dirty Deez to do that when he sees fit. But again, it's a pretty awesome forum, and I'm super thrilled to be a part of it. And the fact that I've been under the weather for the last couple days, this also gives me the chance to say, just go check out his channel. Jump on tomorrow. I'm kind of on the tail end of being sick, so tomorrow I should be much better. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. So again, catch me over Dirty Deez channel tomorrow, 8 o'clock Central Time. I will see you guys over there. I'm out of here.